We're also launching something called the Personal Finance Portal. Diane, as our Intelligent Office IO champion, has been doing a lot of work behind the scenes for this. But basically, it's a way where you can easily sort of see and manage all your different finances. So they can all be in one place, click of a button. You can view it online, you can do it via an app. It's kept up to date and it's very easy to use. It's totally secure. They're using some of the top encryption that you can have for security for online portals. You can also put documents on there and store things that you can access anytime that you want to do them, whether that be a copy of your wills, passports, etc. on there. So it is something that we're going to be rolling out and telling people about. When you go on and look at it for the first time, there might be a few bits of data cleansing that we need to do because it's pulling information from our back office system and there might be a few bits that we just need to amend and tweak. So if you do go on and look at it and anything's not quite right, again, just let the team know. We'll be able to tweak it and get it working for you. And again, to access this portal, you go to the same data portal. This will take you to a page that will look like that. There is a little video that will tell you about what the portal does for you. But for first-time registrations, you click the registration button. Quite simple. You need to put an email address in, but it needs to be the email address that we have on our system because that's how it verifies you as a person. Put a few little bits of details in. It'll send you a confirmation email, and there you are. You're done and you're set up. Next time you come on, you just go on here and put your normal username and password, and off you go. Now, what the data portal does is when you actually log in, it will look something like this. It's got lots of different bits of information on it. Very quickly telling you about these. Messages, you can send messages to the team via there and they can send them back to you. So it's a bit like email, but more secure. This way you can upload documents. We can send documents to you that you can log in securely to see. You can send us documents, we can see them securely. You can also check that the details we have about you are correct and if necessary, change them. So you'd go into some screens like this, it'd have your name, address, phone numbers on there. So if you change any details, you can do it via here. You could also go through it if you change your employment, or you can look at your income expenditure and you can update it all on here. So it's all going to be in one place for you to be able to see it all. And you can also set yourself goals. If there's some specific goals you want to do, you can track your goals from it. It'll give you insights on what's happening, like whether your net worth's increasing, decreasing, whether you're spending too much money, whether you're not spending enough money. It'll tell you some of the insights like that. There's also tasks on there. So when you're getting ready to come and see us for your annual meeting, we might have a few things where you're going to send us some information and we're going to do some preparation as well. We can create a task list that we can all see to see everything's getting done correctly. And then the most important bit, the best bit, is to be able to see your portfolio. So you can see your net worth in one page on one click. Because when you go through it, it'll bring up and list all different things, such as your house, your boat, for those that have a boat, your investments, pensions, etc. All can be in one place, all getting electronic feeds in there, so the valuations are pretty current. And the thing that works really, really well with this is something that's called Personal Finance Portal Premium, which does have additional cost to it, but we're covering all the cost for this for all our clients. But basically it means you can go on there and you can add other things to it that we don't look after. For example, you can put your bank accounts onto there, you put your details there and it'll pull your bank account details through. So you can log on and see the value of all your investments, your pensions and your bank accounts in one page. It'll also, by the end of the year, do like a summary of your expenditure. So when you're looking at where money's going, it'll put into different categories and help you know where money's being gone and spent. So the premium bit on there, the clients have been sort of testing it. It's really, really powerful, the information that it will give you. And it's really good to be able to go on, a couple of clicks on an app and see straight away what's happening at the moment. But remember, don't look at it every day. Just leave it a little bit. So that's coming out. So we'll be sending some more information about it, but I think you'll find it really good just to be able to easily, rather than logging on 3 or 4 different places to see what values are, to just go in one place and see what's happening.